afternoon, everyone. I'm admitting the participant to the next webinar of the Italian Chamber of Commerce. This webinar is recorded and it will be available very soon on the TICC YouTube channel. We have several participants today, probably more are coming in the upcoming minutes. But in the meantime, I would like to introduce the topic of this afternoon. So as you know, we are going to talk about credit insurance for companies. We are going to have two keynote speakers from Assimox, a gold partner in insurance that recently joined the Italian Chamber of Commerce. Good afternoon, actually, good morning to Marco Lombardo, the CEO, and Maurizio Ruberto. Thank you for being with us today. Just for introducing the topic, let me give you some overview about our guests today, so you better understand the professionals that are going to deliver the presentation. The first speaker will be Mr. Marco. As I said, Marco Lombardo is the CEO of Assimox, Assimox Group, and includes Assimox Srl, an insurance brokerage company active since 2011. With an important professionals who have been working in the insurance sector for more than 30 years, the Assimox Consulting Srl is a consulting company specialized in providing subsidized finance solutions and expert in IT services to insurance companies. Together with them, there is also Confidere Srl, insurance agency, with direct mandates from Allianz Trade, former Euler Hermes, and from Allianz Group and QBE Insurance, rating A+, a leading Australian company with over 12,000 employees in 27 countries, listed on the Sydney Stock Exchange and operating as a factory in Italy with headquarters in Milan. Marco Lombardo comes from Faculty of Philosophy from the University of Turin, and also analysis of natural languages analysis and natural languages of University of Siena by Richard Goodwin of the Faculty of Economics. The second keynote speaker today attending this event is Mr. Maurizio Ruberto, that is currently the business development of Assimox Consulting Srl, combining digital marketing activities with commercial development. With transversal skills, Mr. Maurizio has an excellent strategic vision and aptitude for innovation and the ability to find many solutions to present in the future critical eyes and difficulties. Also is seeking and cultivating contact, establishing positive relationship with potential partner to expand market, turnover, and create new collaborative projects. With Maurizio's expertise, the collaboration is articulated with the activity of relational advisor and business consultant, integrating the insurance as a financial tools made it available for corporation. In addition to this, Maurizio has a participation in gambling and betting sector fairs with the promotion of unique tools and services, risk officer activities, and many local entities. He has a master and diploma in business marketing and project management. So welcome to Marco and Maurizio.
Thank you very much, Michele. Good morning, good afternoon at all. And we have prepared this webinar to allow the members of the Chamber to better understand some opportunities offered by the credit and surety branches in the insurance market. So let's start. Maurizio, do you want?
Just thank you so much, Michele. It's a pleasure to be here, and we hope that the information will be interesting for everyone, but we are available to any request you may need later. So have a good vision, and thank you so much again to everybody.
Okay.
Thank you. And now we're going to broadcast some video, explanatory video from Assimox that will spice up the conversation. And later on, Marco and Maurizio will be available for going deep into details in case anyone would like to ask more.
Good morning, everyone. The Assimox Group was established in 2011 in Turin, Italy, by a group of insurance professionals with relevant levels of experience and knowledge of all types of insurance policies. Assimox Group is made by three entities: Assimox Broker, Assimox Consulting, and Confidere. Assimox Broker is the insurance broker and works in Italy and in freedom service all around Europe. Assimox Consulting is a consulting company established in 2018 following a run-off management project of the Italian portfolio of one of the major US insurance companies. In partnership with this insurer, we have developed specific skills that have led us to the design of an IT platform able to manage the run-off of national and international companies. Enclosed with the IT platform and our deep Italian market knowledge, we deliver our specific expertise in bonds and credit coverage for those companies that purchase portfolios of other companies. Confidere is an insurance agency with a TOBA with Allianz Trade, a leading international insurance group with AA rating. The company is specialized in two areas: credit insurance up to 5 years of the term of any payments deferral, and surety bonds. Now, let me introduce you two short videos. The first one is referred to the advantages allowed by credit insurance policies, and the second one is referred to the surety bonds. Have a good vision. Now I will show you 3 presentations related to the international programs of Allianz Trade, Allianz Credit Insurance, and a recent outlook on the agri-food sector in some Asian countries, including Thailand. So let's start, and in the meantime I'll tell you something about the Assimox growth and the opportunities of the moment.
At this particular moment in history, we believe that problems hide some great opportunities. We like to think about a double opportunity regarding what we can do in Italy and abroad, such as in Thailand. In Italy, thanks to the National Recovery and Resilience Plan, we expect important assignments to be done, especially on the line of credit and surety, but also on the other insurance sectors. The plan follows the 6 pillars of the Next Generation EU regarding the investment quotas foreseen for green and digital projects. The resources allocated in the plan amount to 191.5 billion euros, divided into 6 missions, for example, innovation and culture, green revolution and ecological transition, health. The total investments provided by the plan and by the Italian Supplementary Fund amount to 222.1 billion euros. As for Thailand, or in general non-European countries, we are able to assist Thai customers who want to buy Italian products and Italian customers who want to buy Thai products. We are involved in several ongoing projects, among those a partnership with Rajdhevee Group, which is one of the largest independent international insurance brokers. This partnership allows us to develop international insurance programs for multinational companies. Another relevant project is the agreement signed with the Federation of Agricultural Tractors and Other Agricultural Machinery, Federmacom, that is the organizer of the most important European agricultural machinery fair, AIM. With this project, we will assist the members of the Federation in identifying risks and their transfer to the insurance market. Someone asked me if there is a winning formula to become a successful broker. The winning formula in general does not exist, but there are 2 firm points: the constancy in pursuing your goals and the validity of the collaborators you have in the company. In Assimox, the main advantage is definitely the specificity of the skills of each individual of the team. Today, the specialization is a fundamental requirement to be able to navigate this stormy sea. The ongoing war in Europe and the economic and social crisis resulting from the pandemic generated by the COVID-19 do not allow us time for distractions, and we are obliged to seize specific opportunities. Thanks to our capable team, the structured office and the ongoing partnerships, like for example with the Powerful Industrial Union of Turin, let us strongly committed to ensuring qualified assistance and advice to Italian companies. The requests we receive from our customers are met with professionalism and commitment. For this reason, one of our core values is the contribution we can make to our business partners to enable them to achieve their marketing goals. Credit insurance, in fact, covers the seller from any insolvency in the payment of the deferred payment granted up to 5 years. In conclusion, I can certainly say that the insurance guarantees, as well as credit policies, are increasingly important for companies operating in competitive international markets. As for the securities, many customers thank us for having helped them to free liquidity thanks to the transformation of the vanguardists that they had underway in insurance policies which do not affect the balance sheet, as in the case of guarantees issued by the banking system. As for credit policies, the same. A few days ago, for example, we allowed a manufacturer of industrial machinery to sell a large machine with a contract of over 10 million euros to a potential customer. The manufacturer, with assistance of a credit policies, allowed his client to defer payment in 5 years. At the same time, the producer immediately cashed out all of its credit, transferring the credit policy to a bank with very low costs, thanks to the excellent rating of Allianz Trade.